In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create a credit note for a sale invoice that has been sent from the application. Once you log in into your account, select the sale invoice from the sale module. Once selected, the sale invoice screen will open. Here on the screen, you will find the search icon. Once click on the search icon, a new page will open. You will find many feeds on this invoice page. To help you locate a certain sale invoice, you may look for a sale invoice by choosing Customer from drop-down menu and entering the date range, invoice number, and amount range. Alternatively, you may choose the date range and click the search button. In the list, the sale invoice issued during this time frame will appear. The transaction unique number, invoice type, client name, issuance date, invoice amount, amount paid on invoice, any adjustments made to invoice, remaining due amount, and view choices will be displayed in the list. In View tab, you will have three options to select. First, Return for credit note. Second, Invoice edit option. And third is Invoice print option. In View tab, select the Return icon. Once click on the credit return icon, the specific invoice will open here. You can either return the invoice in full or in partial, depending on the requirement. If you want to return it in full, simply click on the Save as Return button at the right in bottom of the screen and the credit note will be created successfully. If you want partial return, then open the specific invoice from the search icon tab and make the necessary adjustments. And click on Save as Return button and the partial credit note will be created successfully.